Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you full LED headlamps with active curve, adaptive high beam assist, also an LED logo which illuminates at night. This one also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you the AMG body styling, 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, come around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a Linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Popping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you a command system with navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, cup holders, our touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, our volume button. This GLC 300 has 40,082 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300, check out feldmanimports.com.